Hello everybody, today I'm doing a battery and trunk conversion. This is the main reason here. Why is because this just fits so nice and snug. The reason it's not going down is because this battery design is kind of goofy. Anyway, also the drain plug right here, it's perfect location for me just to run it all up in there. Sorry if it's a little dirty, it's been the work vehicle for a little bit. Anyway, so typically you want to use 0 gauge wire, which is roughly 8 millimeters. I don't think y'all can see that, but this is roughly 8.6, which in return this will also help me with the bigger sub I'm going to be putting in here, and I also get a lot more access to my transmission inside of my motor more. I do not recommend this, but when I run this wire up here, I'm literally going to be using electrical tape to connect these. I'm going to cut that off. I do not recommend it at all, especially with this big or thick gauge of wire, as it goes to primary route of the starter and all the big amperage and big voltage, you know. But I'm going to do it for the time being until I can get those fittings. And also the negative terminal it's going to bolt somewhere in here. I'll have to still pick a spot. But yeah, this is, in return, it's going to help me a lot with my bigger sub I'm going to be running, because, you know, the battery's closer to the sub. You get a lot less distance, which is what you want. But I'm trying to figure where my ground is going to be still. So I pretty much got this wiring done right here. Remember, this is just a for now thing. I'll make some connections later on. That does look pretty nice and solid though. Yeah, these two got to connect to the big one, and then I'm going to throw the terminal on the back and we will go from there. Now I have this wired up and we do have power. I confirmed with the sparks and the car. Trying to turn the lights on. Hopefully I didn't short anything. All right, it's all wired up. Let's give it a start. Lights and everything are coming on. Time for the moment of truth. Oh, hold on. There we go. Look at that. Nice. And another start, just to be sure. Amazing. Anyways, hope y'all had a good day. Hope this helped. I am super tired. Good night. Have a good night.